Hello YTPC. Welcome to Brunko's Pipe Smoking Den. I'm Brunko. I am in my den. And finally, I am back. For how long? I don't know. I hope that I'll be back as long as I can, because it's been a very, very, very crazy period. I just made a video before this one with review for this Gavet and Hogarth. Let me just censor this. Gavet and Hogarth Balkan mixture, and I'm out of Balkan blends. I'm out of English blends. So today I am finally going to open a gift that I got from Steve from Smoking Cardboard. This guy, man, is, I don't know, before I do the opening and stuff, I need to say something about him, because this again shows how great people in the YTPC and in the pipe world usually are, you know, and that's what makes pipe smokers special. So leaving aside the fact that he sent me something that I've been after for years and years, and it's something that it's hard to get and quite pricey. Leaving aside all of that kindness, he also had the patience to hear and listen to me in private messages, and with all he knew and stuff like that, he tried to calm me down and he listened, and that is quite a lot, because like I told him, in this crazy period, not even my good friends had the decency to send a message and ask, dude, how are you? You haven't said anything in a lot of time. I haven't seen you. Are you okay? Nobody did, but Steve did, and Greg Warm, the hobbyist. These two guys were, and hats off to them. They are, I don't know, they're great people. I sense that there's a lot of empathy in them, and I don't know, I really appreciate what you did, both of you, all of you, because you know, I made previous videos in which I thanked the whole community, because I was amazed by your messages, by your responses to the videos, which are, well, no longer available. I put them on private. I'm still thinking if I have to leave them, or I don't know, mingling my personal life with the pipe hobby. But anyway, yeah, today I'm finally better, and I will get to do a box opening. I know one thing that Steve put here. The rest, he said, it's a surprise. So I know what to expect, but just for one thing, and even that thing, I don't know. It's Anyway, I'm babbling too much. Let's just open this thing up and okay, I'm a bit nervous. I'm a bit nervous, but let's see. Where can I pop this open? Because it's very well packed. And let's see. Okay. I'll pause. Okay, so I think this is how I'm going to open it. And let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3. Oh god. Oh, seriously? Seriously, man? Seriously? I was just talking in the previous video that I needed to get myself a new tin of Quiet Nights because I enjoyed it so much. I made a review about Quiet Nights, and this is exactly what I was saying, that this is something that I need to get more. And here it is. That was a very inspired choice, man. Thank you, Steve. Let's see. Barrister. I haven't heard about this one. By order of the crown, you are hereby called to appear before the barrister. An honorific blend of Latakia, and other choice tobaccos to advocate for a rich, complex smoking experience. Very nice. Very, very nice. It has Latakia. It's a totally new blend. I can't wait to try this. So, another very inspired choice. Thank you. And now the tins. Oh. Whoa. Am I really keeping this in my hand? Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Okay, this is crazy. This is crazy. I knew that this is what I am going to receive, but it's still wow. Getting a tin of Pembroke for free after all this time, it's, I don't know, it's amazing, man. It's great. It's more than great. It's fantastic. I mean, I'm a bit in shock, because I was expecting it, but it's finally here. I'm going to finally sample this. Thank you, Steve. This is the star. Yeah. What else do we have here? Peterson Irish Flake. I haven't tried this one, but I will make a review, definitely. Nice. And the last tin. Oh, nice thing, man. Heart and Home Black House 10-year anniversary. This is another great 10. This is a very inspired man. I mean, oh, and here's the letter. So this is an extremely well inspired choice. I mean, not even my former girlfriends were that inspired with the gifts, you know. Um, but yeah, this is quite something. Let me see the Pembroke again. Great stuff. I would have never thought that this can be something, that I don't know, that people can share something so big with someone who is, almost a stranger. It's mind blowing. Let me. Very nice. I don't know if I should read it here or he prefers to to keep it for myself, but I will because it's nothing very personal. So he says, "Hi Philip. I hope that this package finds you well, my friend. I really appreciate your videos and conversations. Hope there is something here that you can enjoy. Best wishes, your friend Steve." Something that I can enjoy? Everything, man. Everything. Uh, and here is. Look how inspired this dude is, man. I don't know what else to say, you know. It's the first time I get a gift, you know, from the pipe community and stuff. I never received gifts from YouTubers and stuff like that, and I definitely never ever received so much tobacco. And not only that, it's a lot of tobacco, it's great tobacco, I mean, yeah, uh, this is how things work in the YTPC. It's fucking crazy, man. It's great. Let me light up my pipe because yeah, I knew I was going to be impressed and but yeah, Steve, I don't know what to say, man. It's like I said, leaving aside all this stuff, you're a great guy, man. I'm how should I say? I'm losing my words. Mm. The words are coming in my mind in Romanian, Sunt recunoscător că. How do I translate that? I really appreciate that you stayed and you had the patience to talk about that. And okay, yeah, I'm babbling. Yeah, this has been a great surprise, a great gift. This remains the star, and the rest are also great, man. No. Hmm. It's been some time since I felt this good, you know? Anyway, it's been 15 minutes. I keep repeating myself. I don't know what else to say, so again, thank you, Steve. Thank you. And for the rest of you, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Take care of yourselves. And till next time, happy puffin'.